to another video. So today we're going to be looking at how we can calculate bearings. So for bearings there are a different range of for bearings there are quite a wide variety of questions you can be asked, but one of them could just be literally for them to give you point A and point B on a page and ask you to calculate the bearing between them. So this is the type of question we're going to start with. So if you get something like this and it wants you to calculate the bearing, there's a few steps that you need to do. The first step, I would always join together A and B, like so. Always make sure that's your first step. The next thing I would then do is draw your north line. So your north line is going to depend on where the question says the bearing is from. If the question says work out the bearing of B from A, you draw your north line at A. If the question says work out the bearing of A from B, you draw your north line at B. So today we're going to pretend the question says work out the bearing of B from A. So we're going to draw our north line at A. So that's just a nice line pointing north, pointing up. What we then want to do is go in a clockwise direction. So imagine your clock. We're going to go in a clockwise direction. If you're stuck in an exam, look at the clock, see which way it's going. And we're going to draw our line until we hit the point where we drew from A to B. So draw this line until we hit our line connecting A and B. And then what you want to do is measure this area with your protractor. So say this might be, let's say it's 45 degrees, but you would measure it with your protractor. Then you would write your bearing as 0, 4, 5. And the reason we put the 0 in is because bearings have to be 3-figure numbers. So if yours is not 3 figures, if it's not over 100, you need to put a 0 first. I really hope that helps. I've got more videos looking at exam questions with bearings, so take a look at those if you'd like more explanations. Thank you for watching. Any questions, pop them in the comments.